I'm really excited. This wig has just been launched by Sleek. It came out literally 2 days ago. So I'm bringing it to you to show you what it's about, what it's like, and actually to decide whether I like it or not. Let's unbox it together. Like all the other wigs in the Spotlight collection, it comes in a box like this. This wig is the Nadida Wig, and the colour I have is the TT1B27. So this is the stock card. It's a 4-inch deep lace parting wig with baby hair, the famous middle part, and it's tongleable up until 200 degrees C. She looks nice on the card. I hope she looks as good on me. Here it is, straight out the box. So first of all, let's see whether we're getting any shedding. Right. You know I'm quite vigorous with my pulling of the hair. And I got about, hold on, 15 strands. It's alright. Not among the best, but it's not the worst either. So looking at the cap construction, it is not a lace front wig. Full cap wig, but it has a lace part, which is the 4 inches that they were talking about. If you have a look at that part, put my finger under there just to show you how see-through this part is, which is absolutely excellent. If I put a piece of paper, hold on, can you see that change colour with the paper? With my finger. That's really good, because that means depending on the color of the wig cap that you have underneath, you can modify the color of the part. It will look more or less like your scalp. Obviously you can put foundation in there, but I have a tendency not to put foundation in my parts. Each to their own, as always. Moving on, we have 3 combs, so 1, 2 and 1 at the back, and the elasticated drawstring. I have my wig grip underneath for security. Let's get a comb. Now, it's supposed to have baby hairs. Ah, there they are. Do with a few more. This would look good if you perhaps have edges. I don't like to leave my edges out because I think that that contributes to their breakage, so I always want to keep it in and protected under the wig grip. Let's see whether I can sort this out. Right, so I went ahead and I just plucked the part, and I also, because I think this actually needs it, I just think just sometimes, for the sake of illusion, there, it's much better. I had to pluck to make it open up the part in. Sleek wigs tend to be big head friendly, and I find them all really comfortable. This one lays so flat against my head, it's brilliant. Love it. This is a really nice texture. It's not too much of a rough yucky, it's not silky, it's not shiny. It's nice, it feels like real hair, and the movement is great. And the other thing, which I'm not sure you can see, is the length. The baby is long. It's down to my bum. I like it also because it has these longer layers. I actually like the ombre as well. It's a 1B and a 27 underneath. My overall opinion, if long, sleek looks, and this one is long, is your thing, then this wig is great. And it comes in lots of other colours. I think I'm going to get the green one. I'm always thinking of the next colour. I also bought the Rachel wig, which was released also 2 days ago. So let's move on and see what that one looks like. Don't forget to subscribe, and a thumbs up if you want to see more videos.